Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your call history on the T-Mobile app quickly and easily. I'll show you exactly where to look and how to access your full call history. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app. Start by opening the T-Mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with the account linked to the phone number you want to check. Step 2. Go to the Account or Profile section. Tap the account or profile icon in the app. This is usually at the top or bottom of the screen depending on the app version. Step 3. Access your usage or call history. Look for usage, call history, or phone activity in the menu. Tap it to see a list of recent calls, including incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Some versions of the app group calls by date. Scrolling down lets you see older call logs. Step 4. Filter or export. Optional. Some T-Mobile app versions let you filter by incoming, outgoing, missed calls, or a date range. You can also export your call history as a PDF or CSV if you need a record for billing or personal tracking. Step 5. Refresh for latest calls. If you don't see a recent call, swipe down or tap Refresh to update the list. Sometimes the app takes a few minutes to sync new activity. And that's it. You should now be able to view your T-Mobile call history easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile guides.